I'm at Cactus Jungle on the way to Fairfax, and looking at options that are drought tolerant, low maintenance, year-round interest, deer proof, and cold hardy. And that's quite a selective grouping, so I wanted to show a few of the plants. This is a mangave. They're very expensive at $149 because they're a patented plant. But this is one of the agaves that's cold hardy, and I'll take you over to a couple of the cactus that meet these criteria. The biggest downside of the cactus is how slowly it grows. And so we're looking at $89 for this, but this is an Echinopsis atacamensis cordon de la puna. And this will grow up to 30 feet tall, just a couple of inches at a time in our climate. The common name on this is Old Man of the Andes, and it's hardy down to 0 degrees, hardy down to 10 degrees, particularly in a cactus that grows so slowly, where something like this can be 10, 20 years old, and very expensive. You don't want to spend $800 on a plant and then have it freeze every 10 years and be wiped out. So a couple of plants available at this nursery.